Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how snakeskin luxury jackets are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this. It all starts with hand-selected skins, cut and stitched with precision on specialized machines. Each jacket is polished.
Scanner reads batch 42. Origin, Surabaya. Salted, 8% moisture.
Matches the manifest. Number of bundles.
36 in this pallet. Labels clean, seal intact.
Good. We'll mark it received and move it to prep.
On it.
Each design is digitized for precision and efficiency. A jacket pattern becomes lines of data, every curve and notch locked in. Layouts are optimized, and with a tap, the file heads to the cutter. What was once a sketch is now a set of exact instructions, ready to be.
Every piece is carefully assembled for durability and style.
And that's how snakeskin luxury jackets are made, from start to finish.